Make yourself comfortable. This meditation will always help you to get back your positive energies, your will, your power. Especially when you feel drained, emotionally weak, yes, emotionally heavy, blocked, surrounded by negative thoughts, emotion, negative feelings. So, this meditation is going to help you. So, be open and receptive. Ask, believe, receive, trust, and surrender in the lotus feet of divine God, Guru, angels, universe, and completely surrender yourself. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath. Relax yourself. Inhale, I receive positive energies. Hold your breath for some time, feel that you're filling yourself with positive energies. When you exhale, I release all negativity. Feel that emotion, what you want to release. One more time. I receive positive energies. I inhale positive energies. Hold as much you can. Exhale. I now release. I now let go. I receive all divine positive energies. When you're inhaling, fill yourself with divine energies and empty out by exhale all negativity, stress, anxiety, body pain, mental pain, anything, you're releasing it. Now, imagine beautiful golden white light energies entering through the crown of your head and slowly, slowly, slowly filling your entire body. From your crown chakra till your leg, from leg to your crown chakra. When you're inhaling, visualize beautiful white light energy you're inhaling. And when you're exhaling, release and let go. See yourself fully covered with beautiful white light energies in you, within you, near you. Imagine, visualize, feel white light energies flowing from your head. That is called your crown chakra. You're feeling more positive, you're feeling more relaxed, you're feeling positive, relaxed, calm in yourself. Feel this divine positive energies filling you every breath. This is your inner peace, this is your calmness, this is your peace. Inhale and exhale, focus on your breath. Also visualize white light energies with feel. I call back all my positive energy. I call back my power, peace that I have. I call back all my positive energies. I call back all my positive energy, power, peace, and light that I have knowingly, unknowingly given away. I now release every energy, that negative emotions, thought, attachment, expectation that no longer belongs to me. I now release and I let go. Feel that. These are not the words, this is what you exactly need to release. All these negative feelings, energies, emotions, body pains, mental pain, anything may flow back to the cosmos as positive energies. Feel that everything, any negative thing, any stress, overthinking, negative emotions, negative thought, you are releasing and letting go into the universe, and it is converting into a very beautiful positive energies. The more you are able to release and let go, you're emptying out yourself. You're making a space. So let it go, let it go, let it go. I now release, I now release, I now release. You're feeling lighter. You're feeling more calm in yourself. You're feeling better in yourself. Now imagine all the divine universal positive energies flowing back to you. A tiny golden lights around you, your heart, in you, within you, near you, on your aura. When you're breathing, feel that beautiful divine golden lights filling your body. That is your energy, that is your positivity, that is your inner peace, calmness. That is you. Feel that golden light energies. Every inhale, filling your body, filling your cell, every organ. This energy is filling you, making you whole, making you complete. You're feeling that, seeing that, imagining that. And beautiful white light energies on your aura, on your body. My energies belongs to me. My power belongs to me. My light belongs to me. My inner peace, happiness, joy belongs to me. You're filling yourself with love, peace, healing, abundance. This golden light, positive energies, making you whole, complete, and more energetic. This beautiful golden light filling you more, and the white lights surround you like a protective shield. You're loving this peace, happiness. You can feel the positive energies in yourself. You're open, you're receptive. Inhale, I receive. Exhale, I release. Inhale, I heal. I'm healed. Exhale, I let go. Inhale, I'm happy, I'm whole, I'm empowered. Exhale, what does not serve you for your highest good? This does not serve you, no longer serve you for your highest good. This is your power. This is your positive energies. I am safe, secure, protected. I am financially secure, independent, and stable. Thank you, dear God, Guru, Angels, Universe, for restoring my energy, balancing my mind, calming my emotions, and reconnecting me with my inner strength. I am peaceful, I am protected, I am powerful. I am whole, I am joy, I am happiness, I am love. Thank you so much for healing me emotionally, physically, mentally, karmically, financially, spiritually, at all the levels. I'm blessed, I'm happy. Continue, sit silently for some more time and simply feel this energy in you, within you, near you. Come back to your awareness, focus on your breath. Come back to your awareness, focus on your breath. Gently move your fingers. Come back to your awareness. When you're comfortable, relax and gently rub your hands. Place it on your face, eyes, head. Gently hug yourself. Take your name and say, I'm blessed and I love you. Thank you so much. I love, I love, I love. You can take your name. You can bless yourself. Open your eyes with big, big smile and say, thank you, thank you, thank you.